Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Crystal, and in this video I'll be showing you some ways that I style my poodle puffs. First, we have the obvious and easiest choice, the side part. Then we have the half up, half down style with two poodle puffs left out in the front. With this style, you can either do a middle part or a side part. It just depends on your choice. Next, I'm doing two ponytails. This style is kind of giving little girl, but I love it because it's so fun and playful, and the part is always optional. Next, we have the deep side part. This is another simple style, but it is very effective for showing off your edges. Next, we have one of my personal favorite styles, the ponytail with the side swoop. Don't worry, if you can't get the swoop right, this next style is for you. This is a simple ponytail with two poodle puffs out in the front. The part is optional, but I'm pretty sure you know that by now. Next, we have the infamous messy bun look. I usually wear this style around the house when I'm cleaning or something, but one day I looked in the mirror and I was like, this is kind of cute. And of course, you can always dress it up with some type of head wrap or headband. And last but not least, we have the trending TikTok style. This style is definitely for the more animated girls who aren't afraid to wear bold styles in public. If you watched my last video, you've already seen this style, but I forgot to record it for this video, so yeah, enjoy. This style is just two space buns on each side of my head with two poodle puffs out in the front.